Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Amit. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So, in the last video, we have learned about the CSS, colors, comments, everything. So, today we will learn about the links, HTML links. What is the HTML links? Why we will use in our project links, hyperlinks. So, actually, in the beginning, we already learned uh, hyperlink and anchor tag everything in the basic level. So today we will learn in the deeply. Okay, so let's start. First, I will open the VS Code editor where we will write the code. Okay, so in the previous we already written the code inside the notepad. Okay, so today we will start write the code in the editor. Okay, that is the one editor that is called VS Code editor. Okay, first we'll open the folder where we need to write some codes. So in the desktop, I already created one HTML folder. Just select this one. Okay, select the same folder, and here already some file are created. So we will create a separate one file. Uh, link link example dot html link example dot html. HTML is the extension. Okay. So first we'll know about the links. What is the link? Link. Link are found nearly the all web pages. Link are allow user to click there way to page to page. Okay, page way from page to page. If you click any link, that is button is already one link. If you click on the login, that is one link. Okay, see here. This is the YouTube link. This is the Gmail link. If you click on the YouTube, so you will redirect to the YouTube page. If you click on the Gmail, so you will redirect to the Gmail page. So link are the hyperlink. Okay, you click on the respected link and jump to the respected page. If you click on the Facebook link, so you will jump to the Facebook page. Okay, so that is called link. Then you move to the mouse or over the link, the mouse arrow will turn into a little hand. Means if you click on the link, so see your mouse, if you go to the link, so your mouse is changed, right? It will show as a thumb, sorry, as a finger, little hand, as a hand. See, these are the links, these are the links. So HTML link, hyperlink tag, a tag that is called anchor tag. I already explained in the previous, in the beginning video. So we will use a tag as a hyperlink. Okay, a tag contains some attribute that is called the href. Inside the href you will provide the path where you want to redirect. Okay, so we'll use in our example. Okay, first we will create what? First create the doc type is html, and create the one html, close the html, and create the head, close the head. Inside the head we need to create title, a title. Here we need to write title example of link. Okay, that is the title. And outside of it we need to create one body. Inside the body create one h1 tag. This is the example of link. Okay, so after that we need to create one link that is called anchor tag. Inside the anchor tag, what attribute we need? href. Inside the href we will provide http :/facebook.com. Okay, and close the anchor tag, and here this is the link of Facebook. Okay, create another link. We will create some more links. We will create some more links. That is the gmail.com. That's the link. Gmail. Okay, second, third, I will create Twitter, tw at Twitter. here write the Twitter, and next LinkedIn, LinkedIn, LinkedIn.com. Here, LinkedIn. Save it and copy the path. I will show you the live server. Okay, first install the live server in your VS Code editor. So go to the this option and here write the live server. Live server. Install the plugin. Your live server plugin installed. It is installing. That is the extension, VS Code extension. Okay, it will take some time. Wait for a few minutes. Live server will help you once you save the file, so it will automatically refresh your browser. Yeah, it is installed. Go to the and copy path. So what is the live server change extension? Finished. So live server. So detail. Okay, no problem. Paste here your path. So as you can see output. See, anchor tag is the inline element. Okay, so you can use the br tag, or you can use the ampersand nbsp, so that you will get the space. You will get the space between the link. Okay, between the link, one space you will get. So as you can see, if you click on the Facebook, so you will jump to the your Facebook page. See, okay, see, so you already jumped to the Facebook page. Go, if you click on the Gmail, so you will jump to the Gmail page. See, right? Go back. If you click on the Twitter, so you will jump to the Twitter. See, you jump to the Twitter page. Okay, go to back. So that is the link. Whatever link you will click, that is the link. You will click on your respected link. If you click on the link, so you will redirect to the respected page. Okay, whatever you provide inside the href attribute. So you observe that if you click on the Facebook, or if you click on any link, so you will redirect on the same page, right? Same page, you will redirect to the same page, right? So there are another attributes. There are some another attribute. There are some another attribute that is called target. That is another attribute called target. So you will use the target attribute for separating the page. I will show you. Another attribute is the target. First target, if you provide the blank, first target, if you will provide the blank, so see the difference. In the Facebook, you will provide the target as a blank. So as you can see, if you click on this page, so your new tab is open, right? In the previously, refresh the page. If you click on the Facebook, so as you can see, your new tab is open, but your previous tab is still same, and new tab is open. If you use a target blank, so it the same page open in the new tab. Same page open in the new tab if you use or if you use target as blank. Another target I will show you. If you use target as a parent in the Gmail, I assign the target parent. So see the difference. If you provide the target parent, so as you can see, in the same page, it will open, in the same page it will open. And if you click on the back, so it will go to the previous one. See, if you provide the parent, open the document in the parent frame, open the document in the parent frame, in the same frame, whatever frame, which frame you already available, which frame you already there. So same parent, same frame, it will open. If you provide the blank, so open the document in the new tab or new window, new window or new tab. If you provide the self, so self is the by default. If you not provide the target, so it will open on the same page. If you provide the self, so it will also open on the same page. If you provide the top, open the document in the full body of the window. I will show you. Next is the top, target top, target top. I will provide the target top in through the Twitter, and target I will provide the self to the LinkedIn. I will show you the difference. I will show you the difference. In the Twitter, I have provided the top. Okay, if you click on the Twitter, so you can see the same page open on the same window. Page open on the same window. And if you provide the self, so same, it working as a same, it also open on the same page. Only blank, if you provide the blank, so it will redirect, it will open the new page, new tab, it will open the new tab if you provide the blank. Other than parent, top and self, both are three, parent, top and self, it will open the page on the same window. Only target blank, it will open the new window, it will open the document into the new window. Okay, I hope you guys understand the link. Inside the for link, we will use the anchor tag. Inside the anchor tag, we have two attributes. First attribute is href. Inside the href, we will provide the target path, target URL, and the second attribute is target. Inside the target, you will provide the type of target. For blank, it will open the new page on the same route. Okay, and in the anchor tag, we have some type of URL. We have a type of URL. We have a type of URL. We have a type of URLs. There are two type of URL. First is the absolute URL, absolute URLs, and second is relative URL. So what is the absolute URL and what is the relative URL? I will explain. Absolute URL, both example above, you are using the absolute URL. In this example, you will use the absolute URL. Absolute URL means exact URL which is defined by the third party, and in that case, in the absolute URL, we need to internet required. Internet must be required. If your system is not connected to the internet, absolute URL not working, because absolute URL deploy in somewhere in any other server. Okay, for example, Facebook, www.http://facebook.com, it will deploy in the third party server, right? If your laptop is not connected to the internet, so you will not able to access the Facebook, right? So that is called absolute URL. Whatever URL defined by the third party, and it will also deploy somewhere. Okay, that is called absolute. That is called absolute URL. That is the absolute URL. Okay. How to write the comment? Here I want to write the comment. So like this. This is the comment. I already explained in one video, right? So that is the comment. Okay, so both starting for are the absolute URL. And second is relative URL. I will show you the relative URL. Relative URLs. What is the relative URLs? Relative URLs. Relative URLs. It will define by the internally, and it will redirect to the internal page. It will redirect to the internal page. For example, I have created a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 HTML page. I have created to 8 HTML page, right? If I want to redirect, to the HTML element inside the element. So how to redirect element? I want to redirect on the element HTML. So here I will provide like this. This is the name because I already available in the same path. So just I will provide the path here, element.html. So that is the relative URL. As you can see, refresh the page, it also display here. We will write comments like comments so that it will not display in our page. Okay. So it will not display. Refresh the page. See element. If I click on the element, so see relative page will open. Relative page is open, right? Relative page is open. And here also provide the target blank. So it will open on the respected page. If you click on the element, so it will open the element page. It will open the element, this one. And again I will return another one, heading.html. Heading.html, I will provide the heading. So it will redirect to the heading page. As you can see, refresh it, click on the heading, it will redirect to the heading page, right? So that is the relative URL. Whatever URL you use in your local PC, in your local project, so that are called relative URL. And absolute URL, which type of URL, whatever define which URL define into the third party server, so that is the absolute URL. Okay, see here. Okay, absolute URL and relative URL completed. Relative URL is a local link, that is called local link. Okay, it is specified with the relative URL. And absolute URL, which is already deployed somewhere. HTML link use an image as a link. How you can use the image as a link? Image tag, how you will use as a link? Image tag, how you will use as a link? I will show you. The image tag, how you can use as a link. So first open the anchor tag. Inside the anchor tag, we will open the image tag. Inside the image tag, we will provide the source, image source, and another attribute is alt. Okay, close the image tag. So I will create here one folder. That is called images. Here inside this folder, I will save some image file. I will download some file. Random images. I will download it. Save image inside the desktop, inside the HTML, inside the image. img1 save. I will save another image on the same path, img2. Okay, 2 is sufficient. Okay, go to the code. Here provide the path, whatever path, dot slash outside current directory outside of image, inside the image I will use image1. Okay, inside the alt we will provide no image. If image path is incorrect, so then image not showing. So image tag I have to put inside the anchor tag. and will provide here href. Inside the href I will provide this image related to striker. Here inside this striker, in this image, if you click on this image, I will show you the Facebook or Gmail image. Okay, Facebook image. This, open the save the Facebook image. Save image in the desktop inside the HTML image folder. Okay. Facebook, that is file, all file. No, not. We need to save image file. That is not a image file. Facebook image download. I will download the image file. This is the image. Save image. Okay. Facebook, and I will download some Gmail images. This is the Gmail image. Download it. Save image as a JPG format. Okay. Gmail. Okay. Save it. Go to the code. Go to the code. Here I will use Gmail image, and here I will provide http :/gmail.com. Okay. Save it. Save it, and go to the folder. So see, it will display as a large. It will display as a large. Okay. So here I will provide some br tag so that it will go to the new page. Okay, and I already provide the height and width to the image, height and width and other attribute. So I will provide the width 100 pixel, and height also I will provide 100 pixel. Save it. And go to the browser. And refresh. So as you can see, this link uh, display in the new line, because here I am using br tag, so it will display in the new line. And inside the link I already uses image tag, so that this image working as a hyperlink. See, if if I am hovering the mouse, so your mouse symbol is changed, right? If you click on the Gmail, so see, it will redirect to the your Gmail page, right? Use here Gmail target, also target blank. Okay, so that if you click on this page, so it will redirect to the Gmail pages with new tab. So I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to explain here. So you will use image tag also as a link, right? You use an image as a link, just put the image tag inside the anchor tag, link to an email address. Okay, so you also use the link as a send email. So I will show you how it will work. Use the br, open the another tag. Here use the href mail to. You want to mail to, where you want to mail to? Here you will provide some email id. I will provide amit.satna20@gmail.com. Here I am providing this email id, and here write send to. Okay, I will show you. See here, use mail to inside the href attribute. Use to mail to, and after mail to provide some your email id, when you click on the send email, so you will create one hyperlink for sending a email. Here, refresh the page. If you click on the send to, so you will redirect to your mail. You will redirect to the your email, right? But your email ID is open in your local PC, so that your mail is open, and I will show you. Your mail not open. Just wait. First, I need to open the email in my local PC, so that okay, done. No, sorry, we need to open email so that we will redirect. So it is compulsory to open your email. If your email is not open in your local PC, so it will not open directly. So first you make sure your email is open in your PC, so that you will go to the redirect to the direct send mail page, sending page. Okay, so I hope you guys understand link. Okay, so you link you can use also as a button also. Inside the button also you will use uh, hyperlink as a button also. You can use to use HTML button as a link. You have to add some JavaScript code to allow to specify what happen and certain events, such as click on the button. Okay, your button is also as a you will make to use as a hyperlink. Okay, and title, that is the attribute. So title attribute you will use anywhere, any attribute, any elements. Okay, I already explained in the previous video. Link color, how you will provide the link color. So there are the different color. By default, that is the by default color, right? So as you can see, your by default color is blue is showing. So if you want to provide as per your requirement color in the link, so you will use the hyperlink color. So you will provide the color using the CSS, right? Using the CSS you will provide like this. So we have a lot of option to provide the CSS. I will show you just using the style tag. Okay, I will show you just using the style tag. So how will you will change the color to hyperlink. Okay, I will provide the globally, or I will apply the global. So I'm using a tag. Using tag I will provide the link. I want to change the color. I want to change the color. By default it's showing blue. I will provide the green. Okay, so go to the page and refresh. See, you are able to see green color, right? But here not change. Why? So okay, whatever link I already changed. Here I already visited, right? So we will provide the visited also. A visited in the same link I already visited, right? So you will make the color change also. Green. Save. Refresh the page. As you can see, whole in the link and visited link also change the color in the green. As per your requirement, you will change the hyperlink color. Link bookmark. Use the link as a bookmark. So how you can create the link as a bookmark? So HTML link and you create the bookmark so that reader can jump to the specified part of the web page. So create the bookmark also. Use the id attribute to define the bookmark in the page. Use the href attribute to provide the value. href will provide the path of document, and id will provide the id. Use just use the id, just use the id tag, because id, every id is a unique, right? That is the Facebook. You can use face id, Facebook id, facebook Facebook one. Okay, every element is you will provide the id to the separate one. Okay, for this one you will provide the unique id, like this is the Gmail one, that is the Gmail one. So that is a unique, right? Here also provide the id. This is the Twitter one, so that is a unique. Okay, it will create as a uniqueness. Bookmark is a unique, right? If you click on Facebook, so you will redirect on the Facebook page. Okay, so that is the uniqueness one, because you already provided the id. So I hope you guys understand. I hope you enjoying this video for learning the link. So thanks for watching my video. We will meet on the next video. In the next video we will learn about the images tag. In the previous video I already learned the image tag. Today I also learn the image, what is the image tag. So we will create under separate, we will learn the separate image also, and then after start the table and list. Okay, so we will meet on the next video. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.